keypad and fingerprint door lock with two leveler handles. What this does is it allows you to now switch out your regular doorknobs and deadlocks. Has the keys included. You see there's no key here. This will separate, but this is for your deadlock system. One for the door, one for the deadlock. These separate. This just plugs in to this one. This allows you to use the code that you select. For a second, so okay, and then if you want to use the key, you pull forward and turn it, and there's your key access. Or you can put your code in and unlock your code. Runs on 4 AA batteries. Has your installation guide for your door, and all the hardware that you need is included. It also comes with your locking plate. So everything you need to switch out your old hardware and replace it with new, updated keypad door lock. Also has the user manual included, so it gives you all the steps and the actual installation procedure, how to enter your code. Everything's there.